God is saying to you today, you have been through so much in your life. If people only knew the half of it, you have been there for others through thick and thin. You loved them through the worst of times. You only asked for honesty and loyalty in return. You have been hurt so many times because of your loving and caring heart. You ever opened your doors and took on responsibilities that belonged to others. Yet you continue to praise and worship me. I know your pain. I will never leave you nor forsake you. You are not going through, you are coming out. This week, your entire household is going to be touched by my hand. Blessings are coming your way. Type yes if you believe in me. And also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111.